Bill Gates vowed to donate his wealth to his foundation, transferring him from the various global's richest people. Gates introduced he would transfer $20 billion this month to the Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation's endowment, which he began along with his ex-wife, and follow the donation with the aid of growing spending to $9 billion in keeping with year by means of 2026. As I look to the destiny, I plan to provide simply all of my wealth to the Muse, Gates said in a Twitter thread Wednesday. Before we go on, please give us support, give us a like and a thumbs up, and subscribe to channel, so you'd be notified for our upcoming video. Bill Gates vowed to donate truly all of his wealth to his foundation, the Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation, Wednesday, July 13, 2022. The Microsoft co-founder is presently the sector's fourth richest character. In May, Gates discussed his book How to Prevent the Next Pandemic at the 92nd Street Y in New York. I even have a responsibility to return my assets to society in methods that have the greatest impact for lowering struggling and enhancing lives, Gates delivered on Twitter. And I wish others in positions of tremendous wealth and privilege will step up in this moment too. The Microsoft co-founder has a modern internet well worth of around $122 billion, making him the fourth richest man or woman within the world at the back of Elon Musk, Bernard Arnault, and Jeff Bezos, in keeping with Forbes. Gates additionally became the USA's largest non-public farmland proprietor in 2021. In his Twitter thread, Gates thanked Berkshire Hathaway CEO Warren Buffett, who is also a few of the global's richest, for his contributions to the Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation. Although the foundation bears our names, basically half our assets have come from Warren Buffett, Gates tweeted. His remarkable generosity is a huge motive why the foundation has been capable of being so formidable. I can in no way correctly express how a great deal I appreciate his friendship and guidance. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to this channel so that you'd be notified for our upcoming videos. As always, thanks for watching.